Hello class, this is the maths class for the class 9th and rationalization chapter will be now continued. Now here the some concept, what is rationalization factor? Then children, when we have any expression something like this, 1 power root 2 minus root 2, then we have a square root in a denominator, so we need to make a denominator free from this square root. So we use the rationalization factor for free from the square root of denominator. Now for doing this, we have to multiply. If we have a root 2 minus 3, so we have to free from this square root, so we know the formula. So if either so we have to multiply root 2 minus root 3, then we have to multiply root 2 plus root 3. This is the root 2 plus root 3 is the rationalization factor. So by using this, we have a factor root 2 plus root 3, that is beta a minus b and a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A square is 2 minus b square is 3, that is root 2 plus root 3 अपॉन -1 है, तो बेटा -1 आपका बाहर भी आ सकता है, दैट इज साइड में माइनस हो जाएगा. तो इस तरीके से आपको रैशनलाइजेशन फैक्टर निकालना है. सो इफ यू रिकॉल, इफ आई हैव rationalization, I have a rational number that irrational number. If we have square root in denominator, if this is root 2, then we have to multiply the root 2 and reciprocal of this number. If this is the monomial, that is if its expression have contain one term in denominator, so we have to multiply the reciprocal of this root 2. So that is root 2, that is cancelled out and we get 1. And if we have any fraction something like 2 plus root 3, then we have to multiply 2 minus root 3 in both numerator and denominator to free the denominator for the square root. So this is the way how we are going to multiply to rationalize any expression. Now come to this exercise 3.2. Let this question number first find the value of 1 by 4 upon 1 by 4 root 4 minus root 3. Okay, now the question is, then for the rationalization this number we have to multiply, but the root 4 is, you can write the root 4 as a 2. Okay, so you can also write 2 minus root of 3. So we have to multiply 2 plus root of 3 and 2 plus root of 3 in both numerator and denominator. Then we are getting 2 plus root of 3 upon 2 square a plus b, a minus b, the formula a minus b, a plus b, that is a square, that is 2 square and minus root of 3 का square. So then we are getting 2 plus root of 3 upon 2 square, that is 4, root of 3 square, that is 3. Then we have get 2 plus root of 3 upon 1, that is your fraction. So 2 plus root 3 is your answer. Let the question number, you can solve the question very short answer in this way and find the value of this. To find the value of 1 by root 7 is, so the reciprocal of root 7, that is root 7. So multiply 1 by root 7 into root 7, you are getting root 7 by 7. So first we try let, if you have a root 7, so multiply root 7 in both numerator and denominator, then you get the root 7 and root 7, that is root 7 by 7. So our purpose is solving this equation to root free from to make root free denominator. Okay, to denominator make free. Now the question number is, let the question number 8. The question number 8 is 6 upon root 5 plus root 2. Question number 8. Okay, then we have to multiply 6 upon root 5 and root of 2. So negation of that side, 6 into root 5 minus root 2, okay, upon root 5 plus root 2, यहाँ पे root 2 होगा, again root 5 minus root of 2, then you are getting 6 into root 5 plus root 2, and then you are getting 6 into root 5 minus root of 2 upon a square, 8 plus b, 8 minus b, that is a square minus b square. Then you are getting root 5 square, that is 5, and root of 2 square, that is minus 2. So this is your answer. So then this give 3, okay, so cancel out this 3 by this, 3 2 is 6, so you get the answer 2 root 5 minus root 2. So the answer is 2 root 5 minus root of 2. Okay, now let's see the question number 11. The question number 11 is x is equal to root 4 minus root of 15, then find the value of x plus 1 by x. Then you get the x is equal to 4 minus root 15, then you have to find out x plus 1 by x. So put the value of x in this equation, then you are getting x minus root of 15 plus 1 by x, that is 4 minus root of 15, okay, 4 minus root of 15. Then rationalize this denominator, then you get in the 4 plus root of 15 upon 4 plus root of 15. So you getting the 4 minus root of 15 प्लस बेटा 4 यहाँ पे अगेन a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी द होल स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे 4 प्लस रूट ऑफ 15, यहाँ दैट इज 4 स्क्वायर दैट इज 16 माइनस 15 का स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 15 स्क्वायर यू गेट द 15. सो 16 माइनस 15 इज 1. तो 4 माइनस रूट ऑफ 15 प्लस 4 प्लस रूट ऑफ 15 and this is 1, so this is doesn't matter. Then 4, so 4 minus, this is minus root of 15, this is plus root of 15, this can be cancelled out. So 4 plus 4, that is the 8 is your answer. Then the next question is, if s is equal to 2 plus root 3, then we have to find the s square plus 1 by s square. Then put the value of s is equal to 2 plus root 3 in this expression, x square plus 1 by s square. Then you are getting 2 plus root 3 the whole square plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 the whole square. Then expand this 2 plus root 3, you are getting 2 square plus root 3 ka square, that is you can write the root 3 ka square, and plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into 2 root 3. Okay, now you can also express this also. Then by sending the formula, you get 2 square plus 4 root 3 is 3 and 2 2 is 4 root 3, again same is this. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 root 3, again you are get the 7 plus 4 root 3. Then rationalization the denominator of this fraction, this one, so you get the multiply 7 minus 4 root 3 in both numerator and denominator, you get the 7 minus 4 root 3. So 7 a plus b, a minus a, this became a square minus b square, so you can get the value. Then you get the 7 plus 4 root 3 and in the 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 7 is 49, that is a square minus b square, a square 7 square minus this square minus 4 square root 3 square, so 4 4 is 16 into root 3 that is 3, so 16 is 48. Now you get the 49 minus 40 where you are getting the value of 1, so you get the value 7 plus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 can be cancelled out, then you get the 14 is your answer. Okay, in this way you solve the question and ask your problem. Okay, thank you class.